Hi, myself Pradeep A, Senior Subscription Manager from Conceptia. Being under SOLIDWORKS subscription, it's not only includes software updates, it's include your continuous supports, learnings and unlocking your tools. It helps you to improve your productivity and competitive.
Let me quickly take you through the core benefit of being on SOLIDWORKS subscription. First and foremost is live technical support online and on-site.
With the SOLIDWORKS subscription, you get access to expert live technical support both online and on-site. Whether it's a quick remote session to resolve the software issue or a face-to-face visit for complex challenges, our team is ready to assist you, ensuring the minimal downtime and maximum productivity. The second most benefit is SOLIDWORKS new releases and updates. With the SOLIDWORKS subscription, you always have access to the latest release and updates. Stay ahead with new features, performance improvements, and the latest design innovations, ensuring your team works smarter, faster, and with the most reliable tools. Moving to the another benefit, access to the global SOLIDWORKS community. With the SOLIDWORKS subscription, you are never working alone. You get exclusive access to the global SOLIDWORKS community, a network of designers, engineers, and industry experts. Share your ideas, find solutions, and stay updated with the best practice from thousands of users worldwide. It's your space to learn, connect, and grow. Moving to the next benefit, which is certification program. If you are using SOLIDWORKS, one of the best way to prove your skill is through certification like CSWP and CSWPA. CSWP, which stands for the Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional, shows that you have a strong advanced knowledge of using SOLIDWORKS tools. If you want to take it further, there is a CSWPA or Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional Advanced. This covers specialized areas like sheet metal, weldment, surfacing, and more. And here is the best part, with every SOLIDWORKS license under active subscription, you can avail free certification voucher codes. These certifications help you and your team stand out from over 14 million SOLIDWORKS users worldwide. It's a great way to build your confidence, improve your career, prove your expertise. So get ready, use your free vouchers and become a SOLIDWORKS certified person. Moving to the next benefit is additional value added tools. Did you know with the SOLIDWORKS you don't just get powerful 3D design tools but also additional value added application to boost your productivity. Two important applications included are, one is SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard. This is an integrated solution for basic CNC programming. With CAM Standard, you can generate toolpaths directly inside your SOLIDWORKS environment. It helps automate machining process, reduce manual errors, and bring your design to production faster. It supports 2.5 axis milling and lets your team prepare simple part for manufacturing without leaving SOLIDWORKS. The second one is SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard. This tool lets you create high quality photorealistic image of your 3D models. With Visualize Standard, you can easily turn your CAD design into realistic product visuals. Perfect for presentation, marketing materials, or customer reviews. And the best part, both the CAM Standard and Visualize Standard are included with your SOLIDWORKS license as part of your active subscription. Make sure you take full advantage of these tools to enhance your designs, visualization, and manufacturing processes.
At Conceptia, we go beyond standard subscription benefits to maximize the value for our customer.
Hi, let's take a quick walkthrough of the VAS activities and get a brief understanding on each one.
SOLIDWORKS Productivity Training is designed to help you work smarter and faster. It focuses on the best practices to improve your daily design workflow. The sessions to help reduce errors and save valuable time. Regular training ensures your team stays efficient and fully use the power of SOLIDWORKS. Our SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks sessions help you discover smart shortcuts and hidden features that can save time and boost your design efficiency. These quick sessions are all about making your everyday work easier, faster, and more productive. Our SOLIDWORKS What's New sessions give you a quick overview of the latest features and improvements in the new versions. This helps you stay updated, make sure of new tools, and improve your design workflow with the latest advancements. In a design audit, we focus on understanding how efficient your team is using SOLIDWORKS. We also access the skill level of your engineers to identify any potential gaps. This helps us suggest improvements, provide the right training, and ensure your team gets the best out of SOLIDWORKS. Customer Day is all about bringing partners and clients together. It's a great platform for direct interactions, sharing valuable feedbacks, and building strong relationships.
These events helps us understanding customer needs better and work towards delivering more value. We provide complete implementation support for both SOLIDWORKS PDM and the 3D Experience platform. Our team helps set up the system, configure workflows, and ensure smooth deployment. This helps your organization manage data efficiency, improve collaboration, and maintain full control over your design process.
As a part of our engagement, we create a technical roadmap for the customer. This roadmap covers all planned technical activities for the next 6 months, including training sessions, VAS activities, design reviews, and support initiatives. This goal is to ensure continuous skill development, improve productivity, and address customer-specific needs in a structured, time-bound manner.
Partner with Conceptia to unlock the full potential of your SOLIDWORKS investment. Stay productive, stay competitive.